In this video, let me show you how to use summertime feature. So this is the setting for daylight saving time. You can set it to automatic and the car will handle the 1 hour shift forward or backward on the correct dates throughout the year. So let me show you how to do it. All you need to do is swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So the settings are with the car icon. In that example is GLB, of course. Let's here use the upper bar. So let's jump from assistance to system, the fourth tab, and now you can use the left menu to navigate. As you can see, you can choose here time and date. Under time and date, let's scroll down to choose summertime, the last option from the following section. And as I said, you can use automatic and the car will remember when it's supposed to switch the time. You can use on, and right now the car will use the summertime. You can use off, the car will use the winter time, or you can use automatic. In my case, let me use it automatically. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.